May 1989. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I rise to support the motion of thanks to the President for his address to the two Houses of Parliament. As you know, the President has not only referred to our achievements but also drawn the attention of the Houses to our foreign policy, internal policy, and our relations with other countries. He has conveyed his message of goodwill to the people of the country. He has made mention about the Punjab situation. He has clearly indicated that some undesirable forces are trying to disturb the peace of that state. He has also made it very clear that the government was determined to deal with them in an effective manner. Of course, this is a very serious problem. But we are convinced from his address that the government are taking all possible steps to control the situation to the best of their ability. Sir, the country is today passing through a difficult period. On the one hand, efforts are being made to kill innocent people. On the other, strange things are also being done by some people without caring for the welfare of the people at large. The President has rightly congratulated the administration in that part of the country where everything possible is done to effectively check the crimes. The President has drawn the attention of the Houses to the many problems faced by the people. He has described the main achievements made and has informed the House that many announcements and assurances made in his address last time have been fulfilled to a great extent. I do not want to go into the details of those achievements and assurances. However, I wish to say that our nation can develop only through education and enforcement of the new education policy. As you know, recently we have included non-formal education, adult education, vocational education, etc. in our new education policy, which will yield good results and the quality of education will also be improved. A remarkable thing has been done in the field of agriculture. We are able to produce large quantities of food grains in this year. I am glad to know that we have a bigger target. For achieving that target, the agricultural department and other departments of the government are doing their best in all possible ways. We are told that there are, however, two items, namely pulses and oil seeds, in which we could not achieve our targets. In this regard, the President has said in his address that a sufficient amount has been allotted for this purpose, and in the near future we shall be able to become self-sufficient in that field also. Our young Prime Minister has given an assurance of completing the Safe Drinking Water program. I am happy to note that this year more than 40,000 villages will be provided with clean drinking water. In this way, it will prove to be a great benefit to the people. So, it will be very much welcomed by them. Para. Letter dated 4th March 1987 from Babu Brothers, Salem to Messrs. Somu and Company, Madras. Para. Dear sirs, we came to know from one of our customers that you have recently introduced some new items in the market, and these items are very popular with the customers. We also learned that there are no agents to represent you in this district. If our information in this regard is correct, we would request you to kindly consider our case for agency. Para. We have been doing business in this region for the last 15 years. We also represent a number of firms in Madras, Bombay and Calcutta. Our relationship with all those firms has been very good and cordial. We have made the best of efforts to sell all their goods in the market in a short time. So, we have also been able to make prompt payments. Para. We request you to take the above factors into consideration and offer us the chance to be your agent for the sale of your goods. We shall be pleased to receive your terms and conditions in this regard by return of post. Para. Assuring you of our best services at all times, yours faithfully.